Welcome students. Today we will continue with our series Operations on Large Numbers, and today's topic is estimating. Before starting this topic, we need to revise our concept of round off. Rounding off numbers is to find approximate number. It also helps in estimate. But why rounding off is necessary? See these examples. For example, daily temperatures are often rounded to the nearest degree Celsius. 25.7 degrees Celsius is generally reported as 26 degrees Celsius. And people often use rounding and estimating at a store to make sure they have enough money to pay for items before they get to the cashier. In similar way, if you read newspaper, then you can find out easily that newspapers often round off large numbers to take up less space. For example, if they may print 50 crore, they rather than 50 crore 12 lakh 45,765. For any these kind of large numbers, they usually use round off value of that particular number. We should remember this rounding coaster every time whenever we will do round off. That is related to round up and round down. If the particular number is 4 or less than, then it will be round down like this. 34 will be 30, 52 will be 50, 21 will be 20, 63 will be 60. It is round down. All the values after round off are less than the actual values. And in case these digits are 5 or more than 5, then it will be round up like this. 87 will be 90, 35 will be 40, 19 will be 20, 46 will be 50, because in 87 the particular digit is 7, which is more than 5. In 35 this particular digit is 5, which is equals to 5, and in this digit it is 9, which is again more than 5, and here also 6, which is again more than 5, and all these values are greater than these values, these actual values. That's why it is called round up and it is called round down. Let us understand the steps. First is underline the digit in the given place. For example, if we have to round 23 to the nearest tens, then what we will do? Here it is 23. So what we will do? At first we will underline the required place. We have to round off up to tens place. So that's why ones tens, 2 is at tens place. We will underline that 2. And second step is circle the number to its right. Here is 3. 3 is at right of 2. That's why we will circle this 3. Then we will just observe that 3 is either less than 5 or greater than 5. And you know that 3 is less than 5. It means it is a situation of round down. So it will be 23 will be 20. We will replace all the digit to the right of the given place with zeros, and 2 will be 2. No change in this underline digit. That's why it is 20. Next question is round off to the nearest 10,000. It is a question 63,809. I have written this here in place value chart. Now at first we have to round off to the nearest 10,000. That's why we will underline the digit of 10,000's place, and at 10,000's place there is 6. We will underline it. Then we will circle the number to its right, and to its right is 3. We will circle it, and we have to compare this 3 with 5, and we know that 3 is less than 5. That's why it is the condition of round down. Round down means 6 will be 6 only and rest of the digits will be 0. That's why it is 60,000.
At first we will estimate the sum. Here is the question. 8 crore 18 lakh 15,719 nearest thousands plus 6 crore 16 lakh 77,516 nearest hundreds. Here we need to round off first number to the nearest thousand and the second number to the nearest hundred. Then we need to estimate the sum. So the first number is 8 crore 18 lakh 15,719. Nearest thousand. Let us see which digit is at thousand place. 5 is at thousand place. So we will underline 5 and we will circle 7. Now we will compare the circle digit 7 to 5. It is greater than 5. Therefore, this is round up. 8 crore 18 lakh 16,000. Now the second number is 6 crore 16 lakh 77,516. Here we need to do round off to the nearest hundred. So which digit is at hundred place? 5. Let us underline 5 and circle 1. Now compare 1 with 5. 1 is less than 5. So therefore it is round down. 6 crore 16 lakh 77,500. Now we need to find out, estimate the sum. So we will do addition of these rounded values. So now let us do addition. So here is 14 crore 34 lakh 93,500. It is our final answer. Now let us estimate the difference. Here is the question. 6 crore 16 lakh 77,516 nearest thousands minus 37 lakh 64,102 nearest hundreds. Here are two numbers and we need to round off first number to the nearest thousand and the second to the nearest hundred. It is the first number 6 crore 16 lakh 77,516. Let us underline the thousand place digit, it means 7, and let us circle the nearby digit, that is 5. Now compare 5 with 5, that is equal to 5. So it is round up. 6 crore 16 lakh 78,000. Another number is 37 lakh 64,102. Nearest hundred. So let us identify which digit is at hundreds place. It means 1. So we will underline 1 and circle 0. Now compare 0 with 5. 0 is less than 5. So it is round down. 37 lakh 64,100. Now we need to find out, estimate the difference. It means we will do subtraction of these estimated values. Here we will do subtraction and we will get the estimated difference, that is 5 crore 79 lakh 13,900. Now let us estimate the product. Here is a question. 20,004 nearest thousands multiply 117 nearest hundreds. Here are two numbers and in first number we need to round off to the nearest thousand and in second number we need to round off to the nearest hundred. So first number is 20,004. Here which digit is at thousand place? Yes, 0. So we will underline 0 and we will circle this 0. 0 is less than 5, so it is round down. 20,000 and 117. In this digit, hundreds place digit is 1. So we will underline 1 and we will circle this. So now let us compare 1 with 5. 1 is less than 5. So it is again round down, that is 100. Now we need to find out, estimate the product. It means we need to do multiplication of these rounded off values. 20,000 multiply 100 and what we will get? We will get 20 lakh. Now let us estimate the quotient. Here is a question. 74,354 nearest thousands divided by 16 nearest tens. In this first number, we need to round off to the nearest thousand and in second number, we need to round off to the nearest 10. So here is the first number 74,354. Which digit is at thousand place? Yes, 4. So we will underline 4 and circle 3. Now we will compare this 3 with 5. 3 is less than 5. So it is round down 74,000. Another number is 16, and we know that nearest tens, it means we will underline the digit of tens place. It means we will underline 1 and circle 6. Let us compare 6 with 5. 6 is greater than 5, so it is round up. 16 will be 20. Now let us divide 74,000 by 20. What we will get? We will get 3,700. It is the quotient which is estimated quotient.
So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.